What's up, everybody? I'm Eric Boucher with Specto Technology. Today we're going to do a quick Prism roundup. First Prism in our catalog is the LBar Mini Prism. It is a 25.4 millimeter prism with an 8.9 millimeter offset. This is going to be your go-to monitoring prism for most applications and short to medium range shots. The next prism that we have is the lightweight mini prism, which is the same 12.4 millimeter glass with an 8.9 millimeter offset on a much more pared down lightweight body that is going to be more suited for any applications where you might need to epoxy a lighter weight, lower profile prism. Next prism that we have here is the LBar prism on the rail clip. This is the same LBar prism that we looked at first, and it is mounted to a stainless steel clip that clips onto the running rails of a standard railroad tie, and it is a two-part design that you can easily take in half and slide underneath the rails from one half from each side of the rails. Slide one end in from the left, other end in from the right, and then just screw it together. Next prism is the aluminum body road prism. This is a smaller 17 millimeter prism, and this is going to be your go-to prism for any shots that you need to take on a roadway. It has 4 holes for anchor bolts there, and you can also use a AASHTO approved epoxy on the bottom. And last but not least is the full-size optical monitoring prism. This is a 62 millimeter prism with a 40 millimeter offset. It is going to be your go-to prism for long-range shots, reference prisms, anytime you need to get the most precision out of your total station. And it's fitted with a adjustable rain and solar hood.